Here's how you can reduce the amount of anterior attachments in your Invisalign cases. So we have a situation here where we have a tooth, the upper left two, which is still rotated out on the mesial. Here's my ClinCheck that came back meeting the goals of my original plan. So this looks realistic. I'm expanding a little bit, no interproximal reduction, and you can see the upper left two rotating. But when you look at it in this view, look at the incisal edge currently. Now we know there's some disparate wear on that tooth. Patient can get bonding. But if you look here, it's very slight, but that incisal edge almost gets a little worse. And this is basically the better view. This will drive home my point. We see the tooth rotating, but if you look at the root angulation currently versus now, do you notice how it actually moved very slightly mesial, which is consistent with that incisal edge almost getting sort of more slanted upwards. This simple rotation of this tooth will be much easier if we simply rotate it around its axis and we don't even have that root come any mesially further. So basically, I'm going to just very slightly adjust that. If you saw what I just did, now when it rotates, if you look at the root outline, it's rotating around its axis more. In fact, I could maybe even, that looks good. The incisal edge should remain exactly the way it is there compared to how it was before. These little adjustments will make your ClinCheck simpler and less need for attachments because there's zero chance that that root would have moved mesially on a flat, small tooth like that without an attachment. And that movement really is not critical to the case. So that's how you simplify things.